The only truly constant thing about design is change. And updating to these changes should happen regardless of how you access your data. Opening files in SOLIDWORKS 2022 now automatically resolves lightweight components that have had graphical appearance changes regardless of if any feature has changed since the last save. 3D textures were introduced in SOLIDWORKS in a previous release, and it enabled us to add complex textured geometry very quickly. With SOLIDWORKS 2022, we've increased the performance and responsiveness of this feature. The ability to use textures in more places without sacrificing performance allows us to create more realism at the design level. This detail increases the quality of the parts in additive manufacturing, as well as the increased realism experience at the top-level assembly. The addition of texture-based cosmetic threads is a win-win. Easily understand what components have threads on them without sacrificing performance. These will be used for any feature that includes cosmetic threads. This includes manually created cosmetic threads, the new stud feature, and of course, the hole wizard. Where time is money, improvements to performance add up quickly. SOLIDWORKS 2022 has increased the frame rate when viewing files with silhouette edges by over 10%. So every time you zoom, rotate, and pan, you're going to feel the difference.